Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we do some animals and birds name. So let's get started. Camel, camel. Do you know what is this? Yes, this isn't sparrow. Sparrow. What is this? This is a duck. Duck. What is this? This is the hummingbird. Hummingbird. Who are they? The monkey. Monkey. You have to tell me the name before I reveal the name. Okay? So, what is this? This is a ship. Ship. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Is this a kangaroo? Yes, it is. Who is he? He is a dog. Dog. Who is it? This is a fox. Fox. Do you know what is this? This is a cow. Cow. She dug. Who is he? He is the king of the jungle. Lion. Lion. What is this? This is a horse. Horse. Wow. Who is this? This is a panda. Panda. He's enjoying this. Who is he? He is an elephant. Well, he is an elephant. Whoa, who is this? This is a tortoise. Tortoise. Who is he? He is a bear. Bear. They're dancing. Tell me the name. Yes, this is flamingo. Flamingo. This is very cute. Penguin. Penguin. A crocodile. A crocodile. Yes, it is a frog. Frog. He's in hurry. Who is he? He's very curious. Yes, he's an owl. Owl. Who is he? Oops. He is a hen. Who is he? He is a crow. Crow. What is this? Yes, this is a pig. A pig. What is this? This is a donkey. A donkey. Who is he? Yes, he's a raccoon. Raccoon. Who is he? Yes, he is a porcupine. Porcupine. Who is he? It's the lemur. It's the lemur. What is this? It's so big. It's a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. What is this? This is the giraffe. A giraffe. A lion. Lion. What are they talking about? I think they are talking about the food. They are ant. Ant. Wow, they are so massive. They are killer whale. Killer whale. What is this? Yes, it is a shrimp. Shrimp. A seal. Seal. What is this? Yes, this is an ostrich. Ostrich. What is this? This is a T-Rex. T-Rex. What is this? This is the pigeon. Pigeon. What are these? A sloth. Sloth. They are very slow. A whale. Whale. What is this? This is a ladybug. Ladybug. These are bee. Bee. What is this? You know her? Yes, it's a mosquito. Mosquito. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. This is a bat. A bat. What is these? These are butterfly. Butterfly. This is a goat. Goat. What is this? This is a reindeer. Reindeer. This is a chamelon. Chamelon. This is a snake. Snake. This is a mice. Mice. What is this? This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. What is this? An octopus. Octopus. They have 8 hands. Who is she? She is a cat. A cat. Who is he? He is a tiger. Tiger. Not Tiger Shroff. Who is he? He is a mountain god. Mountain god. What is this? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. What is this? Yes, it's a cheetah. Cheetah. What is this? This is a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. This is an zebra. Zebra. What is this? This is a parrot. Parrot. What is this? This is a macaw. Macaw. What is this? This is a bull. A bull. He's so angry. What is this? This is so beautiful. It is peacock. Peacock. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Follow for more interesting videos. Bye for now. See you in the other video.